Okay guys, many of you are wondering why would you get this processor performance boost mode. There is a simple solution to get it. Let me show you step by step. First, you will go to the registry, select yes. Okay, it is wide open, but let me show you from the beginning. Go here, H key, local machine. Little bit down, you will find the option, the system. You will open this system. Then under this system, you will find control, current control set. Self-explanatory. So under this, there is control. And if you open it, you will see, you go down, you will find the power. Once you find the power, you will have to find an option which is called 5433251. This folder. Open it, go down and look a folder with BE3 series. Okay, let's go down BE. We are looking for BE3. So this one. Look, here we go. BE337238. There you go. Just click on this folder. Forget these things. Go to the attributes. Put this default data value to 2. I already set it 2. Your setup would be 1. You have to put it 2. Once you do, click OK. Close everything. And then you will have this option enable. Processor performance boost mode. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.